simple fact. If all we do is put a massive tax hike on the people of Illinois, we will fail. We will push more employers out of this state. We'll push more homeowners out of this state, and no one will have confidence.
So with that, the end zone, we're running out of that.
68 will stay nice through the middle of next week. We're still raining now, though. It's 47 at the Lake Furnace, 46 in Skokie, 48 at Midway, 47 at O'Hare.
Pull the average down. But you know, the concrete isn't hard on this one yet. You can still go to
optimistic, and there's no way we can keep on browbeating these kids. I mean, they're going through a lot, so we got to rally and get our kids ready to go play.
Or view our online showroom at GuyStores.com. We have everything from alley doors to...
Champagne. You have hippopotamus in a little tutu? Is that the one? The mushroom salad? Yeah, I think.
The story will always tell a story at night when they come from their friends or from their walk, and when we begin to tell the story, we always get to what we
It can be chaos. So the announcement this past week from the retailer REI.
So they're taking away that little benefit that people would have for about 4 years, like from 60 to
1-866-99 donate. A message from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Health Resources and Services.
And the services, deposit products,
home improvement. Nobody knows it but me. Yeah. Sail across the stormy sea. If that's what it takes me, baby.
Those two kids knew a good deal when they saw one. They began singing for coins anywhere they could. Well, Reba has been making money for singing ever since. All told, Reba McEntire has chalked up 6.
Grupo Insigne, evento 100% familiar. Los primeros 400.
Shouty and me on a late night. Got a man, got a thing.
Bounce, but it's going to be dead at about the 43-yard line. That's where the Rebels will have it at their own 43. 5:59 to go.
It's the one that kind of love's just ain't for all.
Si haces buena la tonada, haces vibrar corazones para acá.
Started effectively here a little bit after early in the game. And a couple of other Reapers there as well. So there.
More of a community. community means
We have saved for our members.
We're helping members save money on their existing loans at another financial institution.
loans to us and will cut your rate in half. Union. Experience the advantage. Visit adviacu.org or call 8. Offer subject to change. Member NCUA.
At McDonald's, we brought together some of the top culinary minds in the country. They brought together